Top 5 Best Electric Mountain Bike. Number 5. Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike. The Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike is a hidden gem, blending practicality, power, and comfort in a sturdy package. I ordered two, one for me and one for my wife, and except for a damaged LCD screen quickly replaced by the seller, they arrived in excellent condition. Assembly was straightforward, and with fully charged batteries and properly inflated tires, we hit the road in no time. This bike handles like a dream, even for someone who hasn't ridden in years. The fat tires mean you can tackle all terrains with ease, and the bike feels solid under my 250-pound frame. Folding it for transport is a breeze, though its weight makes lifting a bit of a workout. Be ready to call for backup if needed. As a bear-sized rider over 300 pounds and 6 feet 5 inches, I was impressed by its performance. On flat ground, I hit speeds of 23 miles per hour with pedal assist and even reached 29 miles per hour after unlocking its full potential. The battery lasts, even with mixed use, and the bike's balance and smooth ride stand out. It's a head-turner too. I got compliments at the bike shop. Whether you're cruising around town or tackling mountain trails, this bike delivers quality and value. Worth every penny. Coming in number 4. Heybike Race Max Electric Bike for Adults. The Heybike Race Max Electric Bike is a real bargain, delivering solid performance and thoughtful design at an unbeatable price. At just $439, it offers a 48-volt motor, 600 watts battery, and quality construction that punches above its price. My wife and I bought two for city commuting, and despite a few quirks, we're thrilled with them. Let's talk quirks. The bike ships with only 7 gears, which feels limiting, and the brakes could be more powerful. The preset pedal assist settings also start at a fast 10 miles per hour, even at the lowest level, which might feel abrupt for new riders. Support is responsive, but can take time to resolve issues, and you're responsible for return shipping costs. However, these downsides feel minor given what you get. On the upside, the bike is impressively lightweight for its category, 46 pounds without the battery, and hits speeds up to 26 miles per hour. The battery life is excellent. I've easily gotten 40 to 50 miles with mixed throttle and pedal assist. It's sturdy, with great traction, solid waterproofing, and a sleek design that turns heads. The display, while basic, is bright and functional, and the bike's size is perfect for riders from 5 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 4 inches. After 320 miles, the RaceMax continues to deliver reliable performance on city streets and sketchy roads alike. For anyone seeking an affordable, well-rounded e-bike, this one's a winner. Coming in number 3, Hoverfly, OUREA electric bike. The Hoverfly OUREA electric bike is a game changer for anyone looking to make life easier, faster, and a lot more fun. I bought it to speed up my food delivery routes, and it's been a total lifesaver. The 750 watts motor powers through traffic and tough terrain, making every ride smooth and efficient. I usually get about 30 miles per charge, but if you're working long shifts or riding extensively, an extra battery is a must. It's worth the investment. Assembling the bike was a breeze. It came mostly pre-assembled and was ready to ride in 20 minutes. The ride is incredibly comfortable, thanks to quality shocks and 26-inch wheels that handle everything from city streets to trails like a pro. Even small potholes feel like nothing. The motor is powerful, reaching up to 40 miles per hour, though I mostly cruise around 25 miles per hour for stability and safety. Don't forget your protective gear. This bike can move. The 7-speed gears let me adjust effort on the fly, whether I'm tackling hills or taking it easy. The removable battery is a standout feature, making recharging convenient after a long day. I love saving money on gas and parking, and the tips from deliveries are quickly covering the bike's cost. It's not just practical, it's fun. Whether for commuting, deliveries, or weekend adventures, this bike is reliable, smooth, and a total joy to ride. If you're on the fence, trust me, this electrifying ride is worth it. Coming in number 2, Riding Times 1500 Watts Electric Bike. The Riding Times 1500 Watts electric bike is all about giving you the essentials without the fluff. Affordable, dependable, and sporty, this bike cuts through the clutter of overpriced e-bikes with overcomplicated features. It's fast, fun, and practical, perfect for commuting or cruising. Putting it together was simple. It took me about 45 minutes to attach the light, kickstand, wheel, and a few other parts. Everything was well packed, though I wouldn't mind if they inflated the tires for us. As for safety features, front turn signals would have been a nice addition. Riding times, take note. Performance-wise, the bike delivers. As a 6 feet 1 inches, 250-pound rider, I found the suspension solid. The front shocks felt a bit springy, but handled city potholes like a champ. The 1500 watts motor is a beast, letting you hit speeds up to 38 miles per hour and even 45 miles per hour under the right conditions. Just don't expect sharp turns at high speeds. This bike prefers to keep things steady. The battery lasts around 4 hours on throttle mode, and with pedal assist, you can stretch that further. If you're riding in the rain, beware. It's water resistant, but not flood-proof. I learned that the hard way when my horn stopped working after a downpour. Brakes could use an upgrade for heavy or frequent use, but they're fine for casual riders. With 800 miles on this bike and counting, I've used it for everything from commuting to errands. It's not perfect. The fenders might add aerodynamic drag in strong winds, but for the price, this bike delivers where it counts. If you're after speed, reliability, and fun, this is your ride. Coming in number 1, Jasion EB5 electric bike for adults. The Jasion EB5 electric bike for adults delivers a fantastic mix of quality, affordability, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for commuting or casual rides. From the moment it arrived, I was impressed by its superb fit and finish. The welds, paint job, and components like disc brakes and the digital display felt premium. Assembly was quick and simple, taking about 15 minutes, and the bike came 75% charged, ready for action. My first rides highlighted both the bike's strengths and quirks. The motor provides solid assistance, even on steep hills, and with pedal assist levels and gears, you can tailor your ride to conserve battery or enjoy more manual control. The battery lasts about 15 to 16 miles in hilly areas and up to 30+ miles on flat terrain with thoughtful use. However, the lack of spare batteries is a drawback if you're planning extended trips. Some minor annoyances include a loose handlebar screw that needs occasional tightening and a somewhat finicky rear light setup. The rear brake adjustment screw also tends to loosen, so regular checks are essential. Maintenance on the rear tire is cumbersome due to a motor cable that doesn't easily disconnect. That said, the ride itself is smooth and comfortable, handling hills and long commutes with ease. The horn could be louder, AirPods users take note, but the overall quality of the bike far exceeds its price point. Despite its quirks, the EB5 has been a reliable, fun, and valuable addition to my daily life. Worth every penny.